Yo, I know say Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging plan.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. Welcome back to another update. Welcome back to the channel. You don't know what they do, so you just do the do. Like, comment and share. And if you are new, reasonable, open and hear me, you know. You just open and hear me loud and clear. See me? Yeah, man, if you're new, just subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all, so that when we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. As I placed up on the video, watch them out for my viewers. I was done telling you how to deal with that already, you know. PayPal I got down in the description. So anybody want to donate, PayPal link down in the description. Okay, viewers, manners and thanks. You know, short with the viewers, 8 miles to be exact. First pavement. You know what I say? So I don't know, we are going on with details, so we got to stick and stay, you know. But we say we're there 8 miles. See the paving machine there before me there, they've already done one leg already. As you can see, one side already, finish already. So I start them out, start the next leg. So I reach kind of late, but we're going to show now them start that leg. So stick and stay, yeah, viewers. And then we're going to go now overall view upon everything what them do so far. And remember, speak your mind down in the comment section, you know, viewers. What we say with that? 8 mile. Because the mobile up and running, you know. So we can forward out again. Yes, my general. Yeah. So you know what they do. So just do they do. As I said, them already do one side already. They're going to show you how the next side catching and all them things there. So just stick and stay, you know, viewers. I hold my machine up on the ground, you know. Workers them up on the ground, we say we there 8 mile. Boom, bang, bang. Yeah. So just stick and stay, you know, viewers, and do the do. I remember S&G for them contract this viewers, as you can see. Yeah, man, S&G responsive, man. Sun piping hot. And tell us how steam. Cha-cha. So big up to each and everyone that playing them part by growing this channel, you know, from strength to strength, you know. I would say a zero start from about 2 days now, a couple days now. Gonna get for roll out, come get some video going because the machine is down. So big up to some people who play the part by getting back the machine up. Love you, big up on yourself when I call a name cast. You don't want the name being called. So big up each and every one, you don't know yourself. I play on the part. I remember the PayPal link down in the description, okay? Stick and stay. Update. 8 mile. Awesome. Gosh. So my viewers and my subscribers, I can see, I start. See the next leg, you know, viewers. I'm done telling already. S&G, them responsive segment. For them contract this. So as I said, we never give you the first journey, which is over there, so. viewers. Jeez. Some say viewers that we never the show no. First leg how them started, so as you can see them start the leg you know. So we make you see how everything goes on the side of viewers and subscribers. So no just stick and stay no man. Because we are going to give you the overall walk it when they finish it, you know. And what I look at style here the viewers. And now we are going to have the details and we're going to see, you know, so what? Check the details man, and we are details man, you know viewers. No joke about it, cha-cha. As I said, it's the first paving, you know, viewers. First paving, and we are 8 miles. You get what I say? First paving, and we are 8 miles. Can't drive funny, my boss. Can't drive funny, boss. Can't drive funny. First off, we run over at first, you can't drive funny. You have to reverse and drive around, so you can't drive funny, sir. See that viewers? People sit this now, I drive out and go about the memory race. But through the place of asphalt, them can't drive on it, so I take a different location. Them thing I do what me know viewers. You know I say, yeah man, them thing I do what man, you have to expect them thing man. Remember the road now going to drop out of the sky like a piece of carpet where you go by, I want to just go and spread it out in your house and I eat that, you know. Now the road now go come like that. It don't come with a lot of stress and a lot of, you know I say, like you throw you off of your movements more time, throw you off of your time and all them little things there. So in order to get the road, there's a lot of things you have to go through viewers. You know I say viewers and subscribers. So we, the people, have to understand that and know that. You know because they build a customer and try to build a store. Yeah. These things are going to happen, and soon as you get through all of that, then you have the road to your own pleasure, you only just do what you want. So that's how it goes, viewers, as you see. As you can see viewers, that truck they finish. Yeah, that truck they on the last dumping. But there are a lot more truck down there. More truck down there. Well, viewers, you know me I said so. Stick and stay. I don't know what they do. So that's what they do. You know, we like to go into details, so we're going to go against the wall over there, sir, and show you against the wall, viewers. Remember, speak your mind in the comment section, you know. Alright? So, this is against the wall, you know, viewers. There's a barricade in the middle of the road. On the side of the pan, on the side we already do already. That's the side of the pan. We say we there 8 miles in of viewers. Right in the thick of the tin me there now, viewers. You get what I talk about. Yeah man, they will not make the viewers them see what I go on, man. I know what I go on. It's like when you see her all when you're not there. You get what I say? Yeah. 8 Mile comes alive. So just stick and stay now, viewers. I know what they do. I just do they do. Next trucker forward again. Load up more material in the paving machine. So my viewers and my subscribers, let's give them a walk now for the showing of the work that them already done already, because it's a reach late, you know, viewers. So them did almost, they start one side already, so we reach late. So we're showing how them start the next side. But let's just give them a walk through to let them see the work that them already done. Okay? Try to do it. Remember, party then we say we are 8 mile and an S&G contract this. Okay, viewers? So this is what they already complete already. As me said, them done that side there before me reach, and I reach late still. But I'm sure now them start the next side, which them continue with that side work. But let's just give them a walk through, you know. Be sure with the work what them already done already, you know. See it here now, viewers. Yeah. Chat. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. We don't want the update and know what's going on in St. Thomas, in the development of St. Thomas. I don't know if you do already, you know. Just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell and put it on all, so that when you drop a video, you're the first one to be notified and ads are placed on the video. So watch your mouth for me. Just do the do. So as you can see, viewers, yeah man, nice little piece them do already, don't? Speak your mind down in the comment section. S&G. You know we have to go into details in our viewers. So you see the presser when they do them thing, they have a big presser, they have a small presser. So my viewers and my subscribers, my family subs, we bring it on for let you see. Continue. It's an 8 mile first pavement, our first paving. So if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for subscribing. Leave a like. Thank you very much for like up my video. You leave a comment. Yeah man, that's where to get active down in the comment section. Watch out to answer me. Thank you very much. So in order to come to the end of another video, you know. See you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel on the gravel, you know. I'm out.